How you guys doing? My name is Ethan Slayton, and this is my argument plan presentation. Topic/claim. My claim is that a high school diploma is enough to succeed in life, and a college degree isn't always, in fact, necessary. So my first support/reasoning. Affordability can be an issue. College, as we all know, definitely doesn't fit in the budget of many Americans. College loans/debts tend to be a financial struggle to pay off long after graduation, and lower income families typically avoid college due to overall expenses they cannot afford. Second support/reasoning. Income isn't always determined by degree. While a college degree can potentially increase salary, an individual with a high school diploma can, in some cases, make more money starting out as well as throughout their career depending on field and experience in the field. And that goes for anything. So a lot of times people can start out, making much more money without a college degree, especially in the trades. There are college alternatives/equivalents available. Apprenticeships, certifications, and vocational training are all great examples of different paths a person can take if a college degree isn't an option or isn't in the budget, all of which can land jobs with high starting salaries. There is a lot of flexibility with these options due to the majority of people, being in the workforce. A lot of older people, that already started their careers and they're just trying to better their education. And my last reasoning, that it doesn't require as much time as a traditional 2 to 4 year degree. So, a lot of certifications can be completed in less than a year. That also goes with many apprenticeships. They're probably 2 years, so not a lot of time required. Alright, so college is an investment in yourself and and will pay off eventually. There are various scholarships available to anybody who is interested. Financial aid, tuition, free institutions, and community colleges are all affordable options. Now, just to remind you guys, this is my rebuttal, so the top is counter argument and the bottom is rebuttal. And this is all corresponding to the support and reasoning in the previous slides. Incomes are generally higher with a college degree. A college degree can open up many more job opportunities with the potential of upward mobility and a much wider variety of positions. With these endless opportunities comes a greater salary and increased chance of finding a good paying job. So, more likely to find a good paying job if you have a better education, of course. College graduates have a wider opportunity, including networking or expertise and greater knowledge. Apprenticeships, certifications, and vocational training tend to lack general education classes and are typically limited to specific professions. These options are also associated with lower salaries and having a degree. So, a lot of in the first rebuttal, a lot of times, they're specific to the different professions. So not all professions offer, apprenticeships and certifications, and for vocational training, a lot of that involves a trade. So a lot of times, it's limited. And that's my presentation. Thank you guys.